Alright, let's go. I'll try not to push my car too hard, as this is my first time on the Sepang track. Damn, this is fun. This is fun. Oh. Oh, this is fun. This is fun. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you guys have watched my previous video, which is the Sepang video, you guys should know already I've brought my NFR Forte to the Sepang International Circuit and it was so fun driving in the circuit. So today I'll be sharing with you guys the whole experience in the Sepang International Circuit. As you guys know, the distance between Singapore to Sepang is about 300 kilometers. The whole traveling journey was really tiring and it took me about 5 hours to drive from Singapore to Sepang, and I set off at about 3 AM in the midnight just to beat the traffic in the customs and also the highway, so the whole journey is pretty smooth. So after watching my Sepang video, you guys must be wondering, with a 1.6cc engine in the car, is the car power sufficient? Is it enjoyable to drive on the Sepang circuit? I would say no, the power is insufficient, and yes, it's pretty enjoyable to drive on the Sepang circuit because you don't really need a high horsepower car to complete some of the turns in the track circuit. And by the way, my car is not tuned because I have a few friends who are driving a Kia Forte with their ECU tune. So after driving their car, I feel that there's not much of a difference in terms of performance as compared to my car. So that's the reason why until now I still haven't tuned my ECU yet. The tires that I'm using is the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 5 tires. It's a pretty decent tires on the track circuit, and I don't think I will need a sports tire like the Bridgestone RE series tires, as my car horsepower is not that high enough for me to use the sports tire. But of course, with the sports tire on my car, I will have a better lap time, and my best lap time on the circuit is 3 minutes and 22 seconds. So if I were to have a sports tire on my car, I might be able to achieve the 3 minutes lap time on the track circuit. The tire pressure that I'm running on is 31 psi at the front and 39 psi at the back, and I think that the best combination for the tire pressure will be 28 psi for the front and 30 psi at the rear. Based on the wear patterns on the tire, I find that I will need to have more negative front camber because the wearing is at the outer edge of the tire and the rubber residue that has been built up is towards the inner side of the tire. So if I were to have more negative front camber, I would have even wear patterns on my front tire. But there's no way for me to adjust the front camber, and the only way to adjust to install the front camber bolt. So with the front camber bolt, it allows me to adjust the front camber angle, and because the coilover that I'm running on is the BC V1, so there's no top camber plate which allows me to adjust the slant angle of the coilovers. So the top camber plate on the coilovers can only be found on the top end coilovers like the BC BR coilovers. So during the track session, my car understeered a lot in the turn 9 on the track. So hopefully with more negative front camber, it will solve the understeer issues. The coilover that I'm running on is the BC V1, and running on the track with the coilovers, it will make your car feel very planted and there's lesser body roll, and your car will feel very stable on the track. So if you guys are planning to bring your car to the track, yeah, it's a really good investment to have for your car. If you guys have followed me long enough on my YouTube channel, before I hit the track, I have replaced my front brake pad with the high temperature performance brake pad, and I'm really amazed with the performance of the brake pad throughout the whole 5 laps track session, including the cooling down laps and the warming up laps. There's no brake fading, there's no brake loss at all. The braking feel, the braking performance is very consistent. So do you really need a massive 6-pot or even 4-pot big brake kits for your car? I would say no, because just by replacing the front brake pads and also the stainless steel brake hose, it will improve your braking performance, and that will save you a lot of money. GT wing are often found on race car, and GT wing provide downforce and pushes down your car to the ground and provide you with more grip. As you guys know, GT wing only works when your car speed is above 100 km per hour and your car will feel very stable on the track, and I'm very satisfied with the handling of my NFR Forte. Another factor which contributed to the great driving experience on the track is the bucket seat which I have in my car. Because of this high side support and wide shoulder support, it makes me feel very snug in the seat, and there's less side to side movement, and I don't really need to spend much effort to adjust myself to keep myself upright in the seat. So I feel really comfortable in the seat when I'm driving on the track. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video of the Sepang track video, and I wish to visit the MIMC track circuit in Malacca soon, but there's no open track day booking for the MIMC circuit. Only organizers are allowed to book the track session, so probably I will need to join the organizer for the track day event. But of course, I will keep a close look on the open track day booking for the Sepang circuit, as I'm quite addicted to the Sepang circuit and I want to return back to the Sepang circuit anytime soon. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and also do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, ride safe, drive safe, and bye!